Let's design a smart documents together to see what these new response types can do for you. Now we have multiple choice, checkbox, dropdown, linear scale, file upload, date, and time that we can use inside our documents. I will start with an open-ended question. To do that, I will use text field. Drag and drop to the editor, and then I'll add my question here. Okay. And when I get back, now I can use other responses. Next question I will add will be a checkbox question. I will use a checkbox block. I'll paste my question here, and then I will start adding my options. Now it's time to customize my options. Let's add another question. This time I will use multiple choice. I'll provide two options. I'll add my question here, and I will customize my options. Yes and no. Now let's use a drop-down question. Your question goes here. And as needed, let's add a linear scale question this time. Again, your question comes here, and then you can customize your labels. Let's ask our client to upload a file. Your question comes here, and maybe the title would be document upload. That's it. We just created an interactive worksheet for our clients. And the good news is we can use it as many times as we like. So think about this as a template. You can just add it to any program, and you can assign it to any client multiple times. I'll save it. I assign smart documents that we created together to my client Frank, and I log in as Frank to see how he will experience this document. When Frank click on this document, that's what he will see. He will see all the questions here. He can interact with the document easily as you design, and then he can write maybe some open-ended answer here, right? And as Frank is adding his answers, we can also see the completion rate here in the document. So if you visit his profile or his CRM profile, you will see how many of this document is actually completed. Another new SmartDoc feature you can use as a coach is Coach Notes. So when you visit Frank's document, you'll see you have an add a note function here. When you click on it, it will take you at the end of the page, and you can type your note here. Okay, that was good. Can you tell me more about, right? And when you share it, we will notify Frank about your note. So let's go Frank's profile once again, login as client. And as you can see now, Frank can see a notification here, notes by coach. When he click on it, he'll see your note here. He'll also see one note added here. One other thing that you can use with smart documents is export PDF functionality. So you can export any smart document to PDF. One other strong thing that you can do with smart documents, worksheets, you can embed a smart documents into a course. Let me show you how. Let's go to Course Designer. I designed that lesson for initial coaching assessment. I add a video here, and then I add a lesson description. I have a section for initial coaching assessment and goal. So what I will do, I will just add a smart doc block here, and then I will select my initial coaching assessment goal. Two things you can do. You can add a link that will automatically assign that document into your program. Whoever enrolled this course will get that copy. Or with the new feature, Embed feature, you can simply embed that form into your lesson. So let's save that course with this one lesson here. We will go to our program to add that course into our program. It's here, and I will start it. So now this is available for all members of this program. And when you get into it, as you can see, you can watch your video here, description, and then you can interact with the document. That's it. When you complete your interaction, if you go back to your program, and if you go back to your tasks and resources, now you have this smart document here with the completion rate, progress, and you can see it's assigned by a course, and you can continue to interact with this document here inside your program. Okay. That's the exact same worksheet that you interact inside a course, and now you can interact with it inside your program as well. So this brings many different possibilities while designing your courses. Now you can just bring worksheets and courses, lessons together.